My name's Lance Davis. I'm a federal coordinating officer with FEMA. I want to make sure the locals, citizens, know that even though you may have full replacement insurance policies for your residents, there still are opportunities where FEMA might be able to provide some assistance. We do cover some items that may not typically be covered under a homeowner's insurance policy. 5 areas that we typically talk about are your HVAC system, perhaps some of your septic hookups, perhaps a well house got burned down, or some of your pumps were destroyed or damaged. We also look at retaining walls that are associated or are part of the housing structure. Access in and out to your private drive that prevents you from getting back and forth from work or getting into your house. The main message I'd like to make sure is out there is don't stop if you have insurance. Come in here and talk to us. We'll take a look at your policy, what your coverages are, and what your damages are. And there's potentially assistance, again, where we can help you get to yes.